I'm back from Boston, and I still haven't made a video on Boston, and I plan to. It's just, I ended up getting myself a little birthday present while I was there, and so I can't wait to open it, and so I wanted to do the unboxing for you guys. So this bag, I've been wanting since last spring. Like, I went on a girls trip, and there was this this bag that was a part of the cruise collection at Chanel that I really wanted, and I just was like, I don't know, like, just something didn't feel right about it. And then when I thought I was gonna go back and get it, like, they had closed, so I was like, okay, I wasn't meant to get it. Sorry, there's like something bugging me. So I left without it, and then ever since then it's just been on my mind. I've like kept looking at photos on my phone, and I'm just like, I feel like I need to have that bag. So just now, like I said, in Boston, they have their new cruise collection this year, and they had like some really fun, like a really fun shade of purple, like kind of Eastery looking, sort of, but it was super fun. But regardless, like, my mind was still set on this bag that I saw last spring. So I asked them, like, do you guys by chance have, you know, this boy bag that I'm looking for? Because they always like have a bunch of like some of the like older ones behind in the cupboards or whatever, some more variety of colors. And they had the one I was looking for. So I'm trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to say about this bag. It's just been on my mind. And then there was another one that, like, you know, the boy bag that's shaped more like horizontally. That one had like a chevron on it, and I wasn't big into that. And so I went for like the, I think they call it north-south, you know, the vertical boy bag, and that one was more quilted, which is what I liked. So here we go. They always make it so fun when they wrap it. I've literally been waiting to open it for you guys, and I just can't wait any longer. And it's crazy, like, you know how there's those moments in your life where you're like, I am literally looking to buy something right now and I can't find anything. I am like the opposite of that right now. Like, there is so much I want right now. It's ridiculous. I'm going to go broke. Like, there's so many little random things that I want right now. Anyways. Just like, I don't know, like, I love that gold mirror that they have over at Anthropologie right now. I really want that. And I think it's on sale just this weekend only. So I'm really thinking about that. And then there's a few little other like home decor type stuff that I'm wanting. Okay. You guys probably might remember this bag from one of my last videos. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So excited. And like, nobody on my Instagram, like, I did like a poll or whatever where my hair's like kind of bugging me. I'm like trying to go for like this like swoop little bang 70s thing, and I don't know, some of it just isn't laying the way I want. I did like a poll on Instagram, and everyone was like, don't get it, like, it's ugly or whatever. I don't care. I am absolutely in love with this. This will be my favorite bag for a while. And that's when you know you have to get it, is like when your mind has been set on it since freaking almost like 9 months, you know. I've just been like, oh, and like if I don't get it soon, it's just not going to exist anymore. So, oh my gosh, how pretty is that? Oh my god, I'm so happy with my choice. Oh, this is so my color. These are my little birthday nails. Yeah, my birthday's next week, so this is my little gift to myself. Is that not to die for? Oh, see, and I just love the quilted look versus like the chevron. It's so pretty. And like, I could have also done, like I said, like the horizontal bag, whatever you want to call it, the regular boy bag. But I just love this one. So this is the other one, the other choice that I had. I'm very happy with this. And look at the gold. It's like the perfect type of gold. That is my kind of gold. Like a little bit silver, a little bit gold. It's not yellow, you know? Oh my gosh, so pretty. You guys could easily look this up. This has nothing to do with bragging or anything like that. You guys all know like what Chanel goes for. So this bag is $4,200. Yeah, it's like Chanel's more expensive, but $4,200 actually is like, it's pretty good for Chanel actually, because a lot of their bags get quite a bit higher than that. Hold on, I'm gonna adjust the camera so you can see what it looks like on. I literally have butterflies right now. I'm so happy about it. Oh my god, it's so cute. That's so adorable. I don't know, what do you guys think? Are you on my side or are you like anti-fun colors? I always do black, you know, like all of my bags are black. So this is so exciting. It's gonna be such a fun like addition to my collection. Oh my god, I love it. So cute. I guess you could even like, so beautiful. Anyways, hope you guys like it.